This is Tom with Playgrounds for Shelter Pets out here at the Humane Society, Kansas City, Kansas, about to build our third dog playground. I'd like to thank our sponsor today, Celsius Tannery, for helping Mission Driven Goods. Let's get started. There's the third doggy playground here at the Humane Society of Kansas City. Once again, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Celsius Tannery and Mission Driven Goods. And if you'd like to be a sponsor, donate, or know a shelter that can use our help, check out our website, pfsponline.org, for contact info. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next build.